Want to know how to see the list of muted profiles on Threads app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to see the list of muted profiles on Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Threads app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see your Threads profile. Now tap on the two horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Similarly, here you can see multiple options. Now tap on the privacy option. Here right below the online status option, you can see the muted option. Tap on it. Finally, you can see the list of muted profiles on Threads app. So this is how you can see the list of muted profiles on Threads app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.